Pipila ka mga magtutudlo, labi na mga principal sa mga pribadong tunghaan sa Cagayan de Oro nagpaabot sa ilang kadismaya sa gakalat ng mga basura sa kadalanan sa dakbayan. Lakip nini ang kabalaka sa mga seguridad kon peace and order sa dakbayan o gipaabot sa nila nga niubos ang ranking sa sports representation sa laing lugar ug dili na competitive. Lipik kini sa mga gipaabot sa pipila ka mga director nga gilangkuban nila ni Bambi Aligrado, ang director sa Bright Light, Romela Rivera, principal sa Pilgrim Christian College, Mars Giboni, assistant principal sa Corpus Christi ug presidente sa Association of Cagayan de Oro Private Elementary Schools, Kay Lasky, ang director sa IPREP ug presidente sa CARES, Letty May Damasing, ang director sa Summer Hills Schools ug Fe Santos, ang director sa Living Spring Fundamental Center.
Already mentioned about sports. So, mo gini ang concern yun nato with kaning ranking. And then lately, sa atong regional na result, nilawit naman ang Cagayan. Ay, ansya naman, o medyo, maulaw na tag-share sa atong mga results sa ranking. And so, sometimes, yeah, and then the katong we thought man good kay ang Cagayan de Oro City is Cagayan de Oro City. We don't really have to explain who we are. Okay, we are very proud to be in CDO. Onya, mo ang ratings. And then I was always thinking siguro because wala siguro maayo ang representation. So nag-read na sad kuno sa kinsang di nag-represent.
So I hope this will be given priority. I always see that and I just don't look na lang left and right because one day I find that the garbage along the street have piled up. And then another day, oh thank God, it's clear.
We are very much willing to partner with the government in how to implement this. Because we're not just a school, we are also a therapy center. So currently, our therapy center is the largest in the city. We have 10 occupational therapists. We have three speech therapists. The other one is the wife of Engineer Dan, who's also a counselor. So we have a psychotherapist and a therapist. Apparently, Dr. De Roja, the deaf lead in CDO, one of the deaf leads, is also my aunt. So she's the sister of my mom. The first child psychiatrist in CDO is also my first cousin, Dr. Christiane Hipona. So we are very much willing to give whatever. I myself is a reading specialist, so I specialize for children with dyslexia or specific reading disability.
Visiting some libraries in South Korea that I said, this is my dream for Cagayan de Oro. So I would like to describe the kind of library that I dream our city would have, which I also believe the city can provide. It has the will and the budget. I would like to believe that. So, a library that would cater to the needs of the students, where they could visit, where they could gather from different schools. Well, every school has a library, but if the city can offer something that is even greater than what schools can visit or can get or can learn from, then that would be worth dreaming for.
My concern is the public safety. So how do you address the most pressing issue that our community is facing? So public safety, because as I watch almost every day, I think the Oro is no longer safe. So how do you address this? How do you address this? This problem in terms of the public safety. So, even myself, no one is exempted. No, I feel worried about everybody, the safety of the kids, because most of our students are going home alone, especially in the private schools. And of course, in the public schools. So, that's really my concern. I was so worried. So, hopefully, we're hoping and praying that this would be given much attention.
Gipaabot kini sa mga magtutudlo ngadto kang kanhi Mayor Oscar Moreno atol sa nagpadayon ining pakikinabi serye sa nagkalain-laing sektor sa dakbayan sa Cagayan de Oro. Gipasalig usab sa kanhi mayor nga matubag ang ilang mga hangyo o giyangongo kung hatagan sa kahigayunan nga mapili o makapanerbisyo og subli sa dakbayan. Mao katatong balita nga nahipos alang sa balitang lokal, kini si Miss Step Briganyo sa Miss O Radio. Mo balita, mo alagad, mo lingaw.